Ever had those moments when you're so immersed in what you're doing that time seems to disappear? That's the magic of the flow state. Whether you're working, creating, or even exercising, entering a flow state can skyrocket your performance and boost your overall happiness. But how does this happen? And more importantly, how can you tap into it? In this video, we'll break down the science behind flow and give you a step-by-step guide to unlocking it anytime. So, what exactly is happening in your brain when you're in flow? Researchers describe flow as a state where your brain is fully engaged. Neurotransmitters like dopamine and norepinephrine flood your system, which increases your focus and motivation. Studies like those from psychologist Mihai Csikszentmihalyi show that in flow, your brain operates at a heightened state of efficiency. This leads to enhanced creativity, better decision-making, and even increased happiness. Think of it like entering the zone where you're performing at your best without even thinking about it. But not everyone can enter flow at any given moment. There are a few key ingredients to make it happen. First, you need a clear goal. Knowing exactly what you're working towards helps your brain focus. Second, the challenge you're facing needs to match your skill level. If it's too easy, you'll get bored. If it's too hard, you'll feel anxious. The sweet spot is right in the middle, where you're pushing yourself just enough. Third, your environment plays a big role. Distractions can easily pull you out of flow. Now, let's talk about how you can set yourself up for flow. Here's a simple guide. 1. Eliminate distractions. Turn off notifications, find a quiet space, and remove anything that can interrupt your focus. 2. Set clear goals. Break down your tasks into manageable pieces so you always know what you're working towards. 3. Push yourself slightly beyond your comfort zone. Choose challenges that are difficult but not overwhelming. This keeps your brain engaged and alert. 4. Mindfulness and focus exercises. Practice mindfulness, deep breathing, or short meditation sessions. This helps train your brain to stay focused for longer periods. You might be wondering how flow works in real life. Let's look at athletes, for example. Many top performers talk about being in the zone. They're so focused that they lose track of time and everything becomes effortless. The same goes for musicians and even entrepreneurs. Steve Jobs, for instance, would get into flow when designing products. Flow isn't just for elite performers, though. You can tap into it whether you're coding, painting, or even doing housework. So, if you're looking to improve your productivity and creativity, or just enjoy your work more, flow might be the key. By understanding how it works and following these simple steps, you can unlock a state of focus that makes everything feel effortless. Try it out, and let me know in the comments if you've experienced flow before or how you plan to use it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.